How to draw a Gary snake from Zootopia. First, this is wrong. First, we have to draw the eyes like this. Then after that, we will draw the face. Then draw the mouth. Okay, I'm drawing this snake very ugly. Then we'll draw the body. Then it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.